How you going, guys? Browsing YouTube, trying to find a video how to update the firmware on your vessel view. I think this is a 403. I've got it linked up to my Simrad, and it's telling me that it's due for an update. So yeah, I thought I'll give it a go myself. You can just get the firmware off the Mercury website. Just search vessel view. Your brand, like your size, sorry, like this is 403, and then it should pretty much come up. So yeah, got it all turned on with the key switch in, so it's active. What you'll find is I've got a fault here. I think the tank's a bit overfull. Don't usually park it up with fuel in it, but thought I'd give it a go. And yeah, I've got this active alarm, so don't worry about that. What I'll do is I'll take it around the back. A bit dark, I'll put my headlamp on. Alright. Just want to find the back of the vessel view there. That's the USB cover. That's it there. And I've got a USB with the software uploaded onto it already. So you just get that right way in there, and that's plugged in. So once you've got that going, get me off. You just want to go into your settings, and then I've already got file browser opened up. I'm going to go USB storage, and that's the firmware there. So you click enter, and file information, so that's the latest firmware. There you go, OK, and apply update, click enter, and press OK. This display, it'll start the upgrade. Yep, so click OK, and that should do its thing. That might take a while. Anyway, while we're mucking around, I've managed to link a Simrad Evo 3S up to a Simrad Evo 2. That's your splash screens come up on the Mercury. So yeah, they all share waypoints and stuff like that, so pretty stoked with that. Picked that one up second hand. Update in progress. Camera was playing up now. Update in progress, please do not power off during process. So yeah, I've got that linked up there, and yeah, we're just going through and just kill the brightness on that. There you go, it's a bit better. Yeah, so that's a 9-inch NSS 9 Evo 2, and we're just gonna mock it up, see how it will fit. Now I was hoping that the bracket would just bolt up here, but not going to be that easy, so we're going to source a bracket. I've looked at these balls out, American billet alloy, bloody custom jobbies that they use on the bass boats and all that. Well, I want something pretty solid for offshore and that, so I'm going to mount that here and have it come out 9 inches, and then you can angle it any which way and clean the windscreen and that, because trouble with these boats is they've got such a hard angled windscreen that you can't fit much in there. So yeah, I thought this 12-inch would cut it, but by the time you divvy it up with your fish finder and your sounder and that, you got about a 6-inch screen. You want to go 3-way, and you know, it's not ideal for me for what I want to do, so that's running 3 screens there. So nearly just about done. Yeah, sorry I was sidetracked. I was just trying to do this video all in one bloody take, and yeah, I thought I'd update you about the Simrad thing. So I've got that linked up with NMEA cable and Ethernet cable. So they've got their own proprietary Ethernet cable, and yeah, of course, you know, cost you money for them, so had to source those, and yeah, I've got a T for the NMEA network, and teed into that, and I had a spare cable that came with my oh, there we go. Update complete. Please remove the USB device to finish. So yeah, we'll jump around the back again and grab that out. So yeah, had one come with my Fusion stereo, and I don't know why I'd want to link that to my just grab that out to my my sounder. So we'll just whack that waterproof cover back in. Yeah, so I've had that spare. Try to make it as tidy as I can back here, and everything labelled up, and yeah, the manufacturer didn't have you know, much room for accessories, so put all these. This is all that was there, and then this fuse box. So I'll put this bust in. I put all these inline fuses. Got a bit messy in the end, but should have probably put one of those Blue Sea fuse panels here. But you live and learn, you know. So you might do that in the future, I don't know. But I'm hoping I don't have to add too much more shit in here. But yeah, anyway, get back to the vessel view. So that looks like it's rebooted. Come on, play the game. And what's nifty enough is the Simrad will pick up the updates. Oh, there's that bloody alarm again. So fuel high. So if anyone knows what that means, that would be fantastic. But what I'm guessing is that the fuel sender's like a variable ohm resistor thingy, and when it's tapped out at its highest level, it just gives it a fault reading, because it's saying it's full at 120 litres, but I've never parked the boat up with a full tank. I usually just, when I go out on a trip, leave it empty and fill it up on the way out. But I mean, if you've been following me, you know I have a bit of dramas getting fuel in the mornings with the people, you know, having a snooze at the servo and slowing me down. So I've heard about you know, just filling it up before you head out. I like filling it up, but once you get back from your trip, and you know, and then you got less space for water to get in your tank and all that sort of stuff. So I don't know, but I'm hoping that goes away once I get it out in the water and burn some juice. I'll probably test start it in the driveway and just make sure it's not actually affecting anything. But where are you? Back up. So yeah, fuel high, percent 90%. So I don't know. And I think you can go in your system. Nope. Maybe not maintenance, settings, and system, about, and that will give you this gives you the vessel view version, platform application, so that's all updated. So that's what you want to know. But yeah, what was happening was I don't use this thing too often, to be honest. More on the expletive. What was happening was I'd go out and I'd get this, you want to update this, blah, blah, blah. I'll just get into my Oh, look away, put me pin code in. I was getting a thing to tell me that you know, that I needed to. So you go about and there's the support. Check for update. And then yeah, it didn't say. Yeah, it would come up with this bloody update available VV403 blah blah blah, and I didn't even know what that was. And then I would go to install it and it wouldn't work. So yeah, if you get that on your Simrad, now you know. So this says it was last checked on today, so it needs to be done again. So go on. It should have been updated. So that's saying the 64.3103. That's the current version. What you might have to do is just turn it off to force a reboot. Now, if you've been with us for this long, you may as well wait till it reboots. But yeah, just confirming. I hate when all these little pop-ups and shit come up. So just trying to, you know, enlighten you guys if you got a similar setup. Come on. Yeah, and while this is loading up, I got that other Simrad in slave mode, so when this one kicks on, that one kicks on, and then and then when I turn off, that turns that one off there. But it's bloody slow. So this one kicked off and on at the, you know, and that one, you know, that still stayed on, so it's a bit funny, isn't it? Oh, that's a bit of a password, isn't it? Good. Where are we? System. We want to go services. Oh no, we want to go system, about, and then support, check for system for updates. No, so I'm not that dumb. It needed a reboot, so all good, guys. Everything's up to date. Happy days. Alright. Well, thanks for watching.